If you are struggling with your trading journey or feeling stuck, you are not alone. In this video, we are going to break down different phases every trader goes through, how to recognize them, how to push through them, and how to leverage psychology to fast track your success. Stick around for the whole video because at the end, I will share the key to overcome mental barriers that might be holding you back. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first phase is the discovery phase. In the beginning, everything seems like adventure. This phase typically lasts 6 months to 1 year. Your brain releases dopamine every time you learn something new, giving you that rush of excitement. However, this can trick you into thinking that success comes quickly and easily. The psychology challenge here is overconfidence. This phase is dangerous because the excitement can cloud your judgment, and you may take more risk than you should, thinking you have got it all figured out. What to do in this phase is to stay grounded. Recognize that learning is a continuous journey. Be cautious of early excitement and take the time to build a strong foundation. The second phase is the setback phase. Now the real challenge hits. You face your first big losses and your expectation clash with reality. This phase typically lasts around 1 to 2 years. You experience frustration and disappointment as the market doesn't behave the way you expected. This phase triggers cognitive dissonance, the feeling of unease when your belief about trading clash with your experience. You might begin questioning your abilities or blaming external factors like the market is unfair. What to do in this phase is to resist the urge to make impulse decisions. Recognize the power of emotion and the importance of detaching from them. Your emotional control becomes your best tool. Develop emotional intelligence. Focus on controlling your impulses and start journaling your trades to spot patterns and improve your mental resilience. The third phase is the resilience phase. You have made it past through frustration and now learning from your mistakes. Now you are building resilience. This phase typically lasts for about 1 or 2 years. You try to approach trade with more caution, but you are still facing some ups and downs. In this phase, your growth mindset is crucial. You understand that setbacks aren't failure. They are part of the learning process. Your brain starts to rewire itself, viewing mistakes as opportunity to grow instead of barriers. What to do in this phase is to focus on consistency. Stop chasing instant reward. Instead, focus on long-term goal and improve your skills daily. Set a clear trading plan and stick to it. Don't rush the process. Real growth takes time, but resilience you build here will last. The fourth phase is the consistency phase. By now, you are starting to see results. You know what works for you, and you are able to spot opportunity in the market more easily. This phase typically lasts between 2 or 3 years. Now, consistency is the key. You follow your plan and focus on executing well, even if the results aren't instant. During this phase, you must combat fear of missing out and learn to trust your strategy. The desire to make quick money can be strong, but it's important to resist acting on emotion. In this phase, discipline is the backbone of consistency. Your ability to stay patient and stick with your plan, even in the face of temptation, is what will separate you from others. Keep refining your strategy and stay focused. Work on controlling your impulse and maintain mental discipline. Now this brings us to the fifth phase, which is the proficient phase. By now, you are starting to see consistent results. You have built up your knowledge and skill sets. This phase typically lasts between 3 and 4 years, and you are likely starting to become proficient at your trading. Here, you will face challenge of complacency. You might feel like you have mastered it all, but this is where you need to be extra cautious. Complacency can lead to taking unnecessary risks. In this phase, never stop learning. Even when you feel like you have made it, there is always a room for improvement. Your mental resilience and willingness to adapt will keep you ahead. Keep pushing your boundaries, test new strategies, stay humble, and avoid overconfidence. Focus on continuous improvement. And this brings us to the last phase, the scaling phase. Now you are in the scaling phase. This phase typically starts after 4 to 5 years and continue as long as you keep progressing. You have built a strong track record and your trading is more profitable, but the challenge are far from over. At this stage, you will be managing larger position and possibly even scaling your business. One of the biggest mental challenge here is managing success. Fear of losing what you have gained or imposter syndrome might try to creep in. But remember, success is as much about managing your mindset as it is about managing your trade. Stay humble and focused. Don't let success cloud your judgment. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and scale carefully. Every stage in trading test your mental strength. Whether you are just starting, struggling, or already scaling up, it is about managing your emotions, staying resilient, and constantly improve. If you are feeling stuck right now, don't worry. You have got this. Drop a comment below and tell me where you are at in your journey, and let's talk about how to push through those mental barriers. Remember, the most successful traders are the ones who never quit, who keep showing up, and the ones who embrace challenges as opportunity. Keep going, and I will see you in the next one.